Have you ever thought about getting paid just for doing something you already love? Like listening to your favorite songs? Sounds too good to be true, right? But guess what? It's 100% real. You can earn up to $100 a day simply by listening to music online. Whether you're a student looking for extra cash, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone searching for a fun and easy side hustle, this opportunity is perfect for you. In this video, I'll walk you through everything. From how these platforms work to tips for maximizing your earnings. And make sure to stick around till the end because I'll reveal some bonus hacks that can help you make even more money. So let's dive in. How does it work? Okay, let's get into it. How does this actually work? There are platforms out there that connect artists, producers, and record labels with music listeners like you. These artists want honest feedback on their songs before releasing them to the public. And your opinions can help shape their work. That's where you come in. Your role is simple. Listen to songs. Rate them. Write short reviews. These reviews help artists understand what listeners love or think could be improved. In exchange, you get paid for your time and insights. Here are the top platforms to get started. Keycap One Slice the Pie. This is one of the most popular platforms. It's easy to use, and the better your reviews, the higher your earnings. Keycap 2 Current App. Listen to music through this app and earn points that you can redeem for PayPal cash or gift cards. It's a great way to earn while enjoying your favorite genres. Keycap 3 Playlist Push. If you manage a playlist on Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube Music, this platform lets you earn by adding new songs to your list. Artists will pay you directly for exposure. Keycap 4 Hit Predictor. This platform allows you to rate songs and help predict the next big hits. Plus, you get paid for sharing your opinions. Each platform has its own unique features, but the bottom line is this: you're getting paid to enjoy music. How cool is that? Step-by-step guide. Let's break it down step by step so you can start earning today. Step 1. Sign up. Head over to the websites I mentioned like Slice the Pie or Hit Predictor. Create an account by providing your email, name, and basic details. Some platforms might require you to verify your email or identity for secure payments. Step 2. Set up your profile. Many platforms will ask about your music preferences. Do you love pop, rock, jazz, or hip-hop? Your answers will help them send you songs that align with your taste. Step 3. Start listening. Once your profile is ready, you're all set to begin. Listen to songs on the platform and rate them based on their quality, lyrics, and production. Some platforms might even ask you to leave detailed feedback. The more thoughtful and honest your reviews are, the more you'll earn. Step 4. Cash out. Most platforms offer payments via PayPal or gift cards. For example, on Slice the Pie. You can withdraw your earnings once you've accumulated $10. Always check the payment threshold and terms for each platform. Pro tip: use multiple platforms simultaneously to maximize your earning potential. If one platform has limited songs for review, you can always switch to another. Tips to earn more. Now let me share some insider tips to help you make the most money. Lightbulb write detailed reviews. Platforms like Slice the Pie prioritize quality feedback. Instead of just saying, "This song was good," break it down. What did you think about the melody? Did the lyrics stand out? Was the production professional? The more effort you put into your reviews, the more the platform rewards you. Lightbulb work on multiple platforms. Don't rely on just one platform. Combine Playlist Push, Hit Predictor, and others to ensure a steady flow of tasks. Lightbulb use downtime efficiently. Turn idle moments into cash. Whether you're commuting, cooking, or relaxing, you can listen to songs and earn on the go. Lightbulb take advantage of referral bonuses. Many platforms offer extra rewards for referring friends. Share your referral link and earn bonuses while helping others start their journey. Lightbulb stay consistent. The more active you are, the more opportunities you'll unlock. Build a habit of reviewing songs daily to maximize your income potential. Pros and cons. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons of this side hustle. White heavy checkmark. Pros. It's fun and simple. No special skills required. Completely flexible. Work from anywhere, anytime. You get to discover new music before it's released. Crossmark cons. Earnings might be small initially, but they grow with consistent effort. Some platforms may have limited availability depending on your location. But overall, this is one of the most enjoyable ways to earn money online, especially if you're a music lover. Now you know how to turn your passion for music into a money-making opportunity. Imagine getting paid to discover new songs and sharing your opinions. It's like being rewarded for something you already love doing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. And before you go, let me know in the comments which platform you're excited to try first. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy earning, music lovers!